Hi friends and welcome back to Parshatis Chronology. Today is mechanical ventilation part 4, and today's video we are going to study regarding PRVC mode of ventilation. So what is PRVC mode of ventilation? PRVC is pressure regulated volume control mode of ventilation. As the word goes, pressure regulated and volume control means here the tidal volume is set and the pressure goes on regulating till it reaches the desired tidal volume. Okay, that is what the definition is made of. Okay, it is a mode where desired tidal volume is delivered with minimal airway pressure. Okay, here the pressure keeps on regulating till we reach the desired tidal volume. That is what is the, in short, the meaning of pressure regulated volume control. So what exactly it combines? Okay, it is a new mode of ventilation that combines the advantages of deaccelerating inspirative flow pattern, a pressure control mode, with ease of use of volume control mode. Okay, don't get confused. In part 1 and part 2 and part 3 I have explained regarding the various flow pattern. If you can watch them first and then come to this video if you are confused with deaccelerating flow pattern. Here there is a deaccelerating flow pattern with ease of use of volume control mode. So how can you reach a volume control mode, PRVC mode in a ventilator? There are two methods. One, directly you have PRVC mode option, or second, if you don't have PRVC mode in your ventilator, go to volume control mode and turn auto flow on. Okay, turn auto flow on, it converts the volume control into pressure regulated volume control. So what is the difference? So why there is a deaccelerating inspirative flow pattern? Follow my cursor. On the left is a volume control mode and this is a flow graphics. As you can see, it is a square type of flow pattern. Okay, and when you turn the auto flow on, it changes to deaccelerating flow pattern. Okay, there is a major difference. Volume control has square type of flow pattern and PRVC has deaccelerating type of flow pattern. So why exactly is this, and how what is the basic mechanism behind this will come in the next part. See, this is a ventilator diagram. That is a pictorial representation. This is a ventilator diagram. See here, you can see the mode is PRVC mode. Okay, this is a Mackay type of ventilator. Here the PRVC mode is already available. If you don't have it, go to volume control mode, turn the auto flow on. And the first one is pressure. The pressure here, you can see the pressure. Second is a deaccelerating type of flow. Okay, this is a deaccelerating type of flow pattern. We are talking about flow pattern. It's a deaccelerating, and here is the desired tidal volume. You can see down here the tidal volume is set, that is 380 ml is tidal volume. PP is 5 and respiratory rate is 22, and is the P peak is 90. Okay, with minimal airway pressure, how much is the tidal volume, desired tidal volume achieved? That is what in short is the meaning of PRVC. On the left is the same pictorial representation. So how it behaves? Suppose you have an increased resistance or reduced compliance in cases of airway narrowing or mucus plugging. How does it behave? When there is an increased resistance, in the next breath, the flow remains the same, the pressure remains the same, but the tidal volume is reduced. Okay, so you can compare here, the tidal volume is reduced. It gradually increases the flow, it gradually increases the pressure, and gradually the tidal volume goes on increasing. And then again next breath, it again increases the flow and again increases the pressure till the desired tidal volume is achieved. Okay, this is the before resistance. The left side is before resistance and the right side is after resistance. Okay, when the resistance is increased, the flow and pressure gradually increases, but with that flow and pressure, the tidal volume delivered will be low. Okay, that is will be low. Gradually the flow and the pressure increases and the tidal volume reaches the set point up till when the flow and pressure will increase till the tidal volume is achieved. Okay, you can see gradually the flow and the pressure is increased till the desired tidal volume is achieved. That is a major difference, okay, between the volume control and pressure control. So what happens? What is the advantage? Prevents the rapid overinflation of lung, prevent the complication of overinflation like pneumothorax and other things. Okay, because there is a gradual increase in pressure and gradual increase in tidal volume, so that till the desired tidal volume achieved. In volume control, when the resistance is high, the pressure shoots up immediately. That will cause overinflation. That is prevented in PRVC. Gradual increase in pressure prevents overinflation and desired volume is gradually. Once the desired volume is achieved, there is no further increase in pressure. Okay, that is what the major difference between volume control and pressure regulated volume control. Okay, thank you. If you have any comments, please leave it in the comment box. Okay, thank you. Bye.